Radar Portugal 48 for Hotel, request direct to Mike Uniform Sierra, please.
48 for Hotel, requesting Mike Uniform Sierra.
Yes, affirm.
Portugal 48 for Hotel, reduce speed 250 knots.
Reducing speed 250 knots, Portugal 48 for Hotel. Just for information, we have some problems with the toilets on board. We don't have it operational, and we need to land as soon as possible at Nice. So that's why we are asking for a more direct route, and if available, an increase of speed as well.
Just say again your request.
We are requesting more speed, if possible, until 5,100 at least, and more direct routes. We don't have toilets on board during our flight of today, so that's why we need to land as soon as possible, because of the passengers.
Copy, do you declare an emergency?
Could you say again the message, please?
Will you declare an emergency?
No, not declaring emergency, just help on the situation and a more direct route and an increase of speed if possible.
Allô?
Oui, le TAP 4454 Hôtel a besoin de garder une vitesse élevée et voudrait atterrir aussi vite que possible.
Ok.
Il a quoi?
Panne?
Non, il a... Il veut la directe la plus... Attends, je te rappelle, il veut une...
Bon, écoute, encore au plus court, pas de problème.
Ouais, grosse directe et il reprend de la vitesse, on te l'envoie.
Ok.
What is moderate your vibration?
I'm sorry, could you say again, please?
48 for Hotel, free speed, contact Nice approach 134475, over.
We'll increase speed and Nice 134475. Just for information, we are not declaring any emergency for now. The Portugal 48 for Hotel. Thank you.
Allô?
Ouais, alors j'ai un truc qui est pas très clair. Enfin, un type qui veut garder la vitesse, c'est un TAP 484 Hôtel. Il veut garder la vitesse, il va atterrir le plus vite possible, le plus court possible. Je sais pas si c'est un panne, un Mayday, mais bon voilà.
Ouais.
Je te tiens au courant de
Bah,
l'évolution.
tiens-moi au courant, d'accord,
Okay.
ok, ça marche. Merci.
Nice, bonjour, Portugal 48 for Hotel. This is at flight level 140.
44 Hotel, bonjour. Confirm you have a unit priority?
We are asking for help because we have a problem on board, but we are not declaring any emergency or urgency. We are just asking for some help to land as soon as possible. We don't have toilets, so this has been in all of our flight today, so that's why we are trying to ask for some help to land as soon as possible. But we are not declaring Pantan or Mayday for now.
I don't understand what is the issue?
We don't have toilets. They are all inoperative toilets, so the passengers need to land so they can relieve themselves.
It's 484 Hotel. Which kind of approach do you want?
The more quick approach that you can give us, Portugal 48 for Hotel.
Disponible, c'est les passagers qui ont besoin de poser l'avion. Donc c'est incompréhensible ce qu'elle dit pour l'instant.
Ah, écoute, moi je sais pas, moi s'il faut le poser rapidement, poser rapidement.
Oui, on le pose rapidement et on ne dépose pas d'urgence.
Oui, d'accord, ok, bah, je te
mais
viens
il dit all pilots inopérative. Ou alors,
d'accord, ok, bah, je
ou alors c'est autopilot.
Je sais pas, attends, il y a Inès qui m'appelle là, je sais pas.
Oui, on ouvre IniWest pour ça.
Ouais, ok, ça marche.
La Portugal 48 Hotel, descend 3000, QNH 1017.
Descending 3,000 feet with QNH 1017 at Portugal 484 Hotel.
And confirm, just to be sure, you have the autopilot which is out of work?
No, sir. We have the autopilot functioning properly. Our problem is with the toilets. For now, it doesn't matter anymore. We are not declaring anything. We just need to arrive as soon as possible. That's all. At Portugal 484 Hotel.
The pilot has a medical problem?
Sir, I will say again, we don't have a medical problem. We just don't have toilets, but that doesn't matter anymore. We just need to land. I will explain better on the ground, but for now we are not declaring anything. We are proceeding on heading 090 degrees, descending 3,000 feet with QNH 1017 with normal operation. Portugal 48 for hotel.
Roger, fly to Bisbo direct, clear d'approach.
Direct to Bisbo and clear for the approach, Portugal 48 for hotel.
Allô?
Ça pue, hein, quand même, parce qu'elle redit, on n'a pas de pilote.
Ah oui? D'accord.
Et
okay.
elle demande, il faut atterrir.
D'accord.
Mais on ne déclare pas d'urgence. Donc, mets la PAF, tout ça dans la boucle.
Non, mais moi, je vais mettre état d'alerte. Hein.
Oui, non, mais état d'alerte. Et mets
voilà,
la police dans le... Elle dit, on s'expliquera au sol, mais...
Okay, d'accord, ok, ça marche, ok. Ouais. État d'alerte pour un trafic où on soupçonne qu'il n'y ait plus de pilote en état de piloter.
Portugal 48 Hotel, I'm not sure to understand. You said you have no pilot on board?
Our operation is normal, sir. We would like to proceed with the arrival normally at Portugal 48 for hotel.
So, you said before you had no pilot.
I didn't say that. We'll speak on the ground for now. We just need to do our approach at Portugal 48 for hotel.
Portugal 48 Hotel, confirm your squawk?
Stand by, sir.
Compréhensible.
Bah oui, non mais voilà, c'est incompréhensible.
Et tu lui demandes confirmer le transpondeur, elle dit je vous réponds après.
Oui,
tu vois,
d'accord.
donc je me dis oh, putain, c'est 7500 là.
Oui, oui, non mais je sais pas, écoute, moi ça y est, les pompiers sont sortis,
voilà, ok,
tout le monde est au courant, et puis voilà.
Radar Portugal 48 for hotel, please confirm clear for the approach.
Confirm, you're clear the approach.
We are clear for the approach. We have both pilots and autopilot on. We have everything. The only problem with us during our flight was that we didn't have any toilets WC during the flight at Portugal 48 for hotel.
Toilet, I understood toilet, okay.
Thank you.